A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is again your English literature class, and we are going to continue with the lesson Birbal the Wise. Children, in our last class, we studied about what is anger. Yes, do you remember that? Very good. We learned that anger is a strong feeling that you have when something has happened that you think is bad and unfair. Alright? When you think that something has happened with you or somebody did something with you which is bad, unfair, and wrong, then you get this feeling of anger. Okay, children? Yes. And we even learned that we should not take decisions when we are angry, right? Right. Children, we read this page of the lesson Birbal the Wise in our last class, where we learned that once Emperor Akbar was not in a good mood. He was very angry and he asked his favorite minister Birbal to leave the palace and go, okay, and never to come back. Then when he calmed down, when his anger was gone, then he realized that he did a mistake, okay, and he wanted his favorite minister back, right? He tried a lot. He asked other ministers of his court to go and search for Birbal and bring him back, but children, nobody was able to find him. All right. Then Birbal realized that he needs somebody else who can take Birbal's place, right, in the palace and do those works which Birbal used to do. But that person had to be good enough. That person had to be as intelligent as Birbal, as clever as Birbal, as smart as Birbal, okay? But Emperor Akbar, he was not able to find anybody who can replace Birbal, okay? Then what happened, children? One day, one teacher came to the palace along with two of his students, right? The teacher was not dressed properly, okay? He was wearing very dirty and torn clothes, okay? But the students told Akbar and his ministers that our teacher is more intelligent and more smart and clever than Birbal. So Akbar decided to test the teacher. He told his ministers to test how wise the teacher is. Okay? Yes, children. So now we are going to see what was the test, how they tested the teacher, and was the teacher actually more intelligent, Birbal? Come on, let us read and find that out. Okay? Alright, children, pay attention. The teacher accepted the challenge and said, I do not claim to be wise. Even then, I am ready for the test. The ministers started asking him questions and he answered them wisely. Who is the greatest emperor on earth? Emperor Akbar, of course. What is the most beautiful sound? A baby's laughter. What travels faster than the wind? Light. What is the sweetest thing on earth? Honey. Okay, children, till here we have seen that when Emperor Akbar decided that he will take a test of that teacher said that fine, I don't say that I am the wisest or I'm the most wise person here, but still I don't have any problem and I'm ready to face any challenge, any test. So children, the other ministers in the court, they started asking questions from that teacher. One of the minister asked that who is the greatest emperor, who's the greatest ruler here on earth. So that teacher replied, Emperor Akbar. Then another minister asked, what is the most beautiful sound? The sound which your ears like, which everyone like. So he said, a baby's laughter. Everybody likes to hear a baby laughing, okay? That voice, that sound is very pretty, children, and our ears, they actually like them, okay? Then another minister asked, what travels faster than the wind? Children, you all must be knowing that when the wind blows, okay, It blows fast, right? When wind blows fast. But there is something else which blows faster, or which moves faster, and that is light, children. Okay, from one place to the other, light moves faster. Okay, what is the sweetest thing on earth? The teacher replied, honey. Now it was Akbar's turn to question him. Who or what is the most dangerous enemy of a king? The teacher replied, his bad temper. Children, did you see? Emperor Akbar asked that teacher that who is the dangerous or the most dangerous enemy of a king, of a ruler? The teacher replied, his temper. His temper means that the person or that ruler, should not have a bad temper. He should not get angry very quickly. He should be a person who has a calm nature. Okay? He should not get offended or angry on small things. Alright? Then let's see what happened. Akbar was happy with the teacher's answers. He decided to make him a minister in his court. However, Akbar wanted to test him with one last question. Can you perform miracles? Akbar asked. Why not? Replied the teacher. Okay, children, Akbar was very happy when that teacher told that the most dangerous enemy of a king is his bad temper. So Akbar was very happy with that answer, and he decided that he will make this teacher one of his ministers of the court, and this teacher can replace Birbal. But still he had one more question in his mind. So he asked, can you perform miracles? Miracles, children, in Hindi we call them jadoo, miracles. Okay. Akbar asked, why not? I can. Teacher said, yes, I can do miracles. Then let's see what did Akbar say. Then, sir, can you bring back my minister Birbal? Yes, of course. That is very easy. With these words, the teacher pulled off his false beard and hair. He quickly removed his dirty clothes. It was Birbal himself. Birbal, it is you! Emperor Akbar exclaimed with surprise. I should have known. Children, did you understand this? Though Akbar was very happy with the teacher's answer, he still wanted Birbal back. So he asked that teacher that can you perform miracles? That teacher said, yes, of course I can. So he asked the teacher to bring back Birbal. And guess what happened, children? That teacher was actually Birbal. Okay? He disguised himself. Disguised means he took somebody else's appearance. He dressed himself in a way that nobody can recognize him, right? So he took off his false beard and hair, and then he showed that it was actually Birbal, which made Akbar very happy. He was very happy, and then the story ended. So children, here this tells you that we should not make mistakes when we are angry. Though Akbar was very angry and he asked Birbal to leave, still he missed Birbal a lot. He wanted Birbal back and he was not able to find. So even in the end, when he found a teacher as intelligent and as smart as Birbal, he still wanted his favorite minister Birbal back. Is that okay? Okay. This is the moral of the story, and I'm going to read the lesson once again for you. The teacher accepted the challenge and said, I do not claim to be wise. Even then, I'm ready for the test. The ministers started asking him questions, and he answered them wisely. Who is the greatest emperor on earth? Emperor Akbar, of course. What is the most beautiful sound? A baby's laughter. Who travels faster than the wind? Light. What is the sweetest thing on earth? Honey. Now, it was Akbar's turn to question him. Who or what is the most dangerous enemy of a king? His bad temper. Akbar was happy with the teacher's answers. He decided to make him a minister in his court. However, Akbar wanted to test him with one last question. Can you perform miracles? Akbar asked. Why not? Replied the teacher. Then, sir, can you bring back my minister Birbal? Yes, of course, that is very easy. With these words, the teacher pulled off his false beard and hair. He quickly removed his dirty clothes. It was Birbal himself. Birbal, it is you! Emperor Akbar exclaimed with surprise. I should have known. An Indian folk tale. Tale means a story. Yes? Okay. So children, you all are going to read this whole lesson once again. We will discuss the book exercises in our live class. Till then, have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe, children. Thank you.